Let's get to that final trade of the day with Jane Gallina. Jane, you are all over what's happening in the bond market. What are you seeing?
Hello, Angela. Well, we've seen a lot of volatility in the markets recently, and we have seen that the Fed all of a sudden might not be able to service the debt of the bonds that they are issuing. They are issuing out higher interest rate bonds, and at this time, are we going to be the next ones like the UK that need to ask for assistance in quantitative easing instead of tightening with the bond market that is out there? I am very much watching GOVT, the government bonds. We had a total of 96 million shares traded in the dark pools. And that is roughly 10% of the overall overall shares outstanding of the ETF. When we see that we have 10% of such a heavy instrument, such as a treasury bond being traded, we know there's going to be a big movement in the bond market. Now, which way? I'm not sure. If we go up above 2280, hey, bonds look like they might be a way to go with the dark pools to ride it up and go ahead and gain some interest. Now, however, if we see that it does drop below 2220, the dark pools might be saying, I don't have as much confidence in this.
Well, that's good to know. What else are you trading that could be considered a safe haven play when times get tough in the market?
And also DXY, the dollar index as well. If we can stay up above 111.40, I think that we might see this creep up higher. A lot of this is all in play with what's going on. We had our CPI numbers higher than expected. Likely the Fed is going to step in and say, all right, we want to tame this. We need to raise interest rates again at our next meeting. That was priced into the market on Thursday morning, a nice rebound. Now, where are we going to go from here? We really need to watch those lows. A lot of people were buying on Apple. I saw it in the volume, short volumes. We had a lot of buying. So just be careful, in my opinion, of picking the lows. Let the market tell you when it's the right time to get in, and keep your eye on the bond market. Are we going to see a bigger sell-off, which could correspond to a global view that the dollar is weakening, right? So keep all of that in mind and have an amazing week ahead.
Thank you so much, Jane. Have a great trading week ahead.
Thank you, Angela. It's always a pleasure.
Go to businessfirstam.com for where to see our show on TV.